In the face of Mother Nature's power, it's important to be prepared. As Hurricane Hilary approaches, safeguarding your home's electrical system is crucial. Did you know that hurricanes can bring unexpected electrical problems to your doorstep? But fear not, because with a little preparation, you can minimize the risks and keep your family safe. Hi, this is DNZ Property Services, the electrical specialist here to guide you through some essential steps to prepare your home for Hurricane Hilary. First things first, secure any loose outdoor wiring and trim overhanging branches to prevent them from causing damage to your electrical lines. Unplug non-essential devices and appliances before the storm hits to avoid damage from power surges. If you have a basement, ensure your sump pump is working properly and that its wiring is in good condition to prevent flooding and electrical issues. Consider having a backup power source like a generator. It can provide electricity during outages and keep your essential devices running. Prepare an emergency kit with flashlights, batteries, and a battery-powered radio. These essentials can be a lifeline if the power goes out. Staying informed is key. Monitor weather updates and evacuation notices. If authorities recommend evacuating, unplug major appliances and turn off the main circuit breaker before leaving. By taking these precautions, you're not only protecting your home's electrical system, but also ensuring your family's safety during Hurricane Hilary. Stay safe, stay prepared, and weather the storm with confidence. Because when it comes to nature's might, being prepared is the first step towards peace of mind.